This is for you, mom, woman, wonderful person who perhaps right now feel tired, exhausted, overwhelmed, and under the mess, not seeing how you can build your life with the little one in your life, but yet being more than just a mom. This is for you to flourish, to be you with all the talents, all the wants, all the emotions, all the quirky ideas, and all the wonderful ideas to live as you want to live. This is for you to find again the way to love your life with all of it. Aleksandra Cichuta, and just like you, I'm a new mom to a wonderful boy, Joshua. Not long ago, he entered this world and filled it up with lots of joy, filled my heart up with enormous amount of love. I literally didn't know how much I can love until he showed up. But equally, there were other emotions like anxiety, fear, worries. My mind was ticking, thinking about how big challenge it is to be a parent. I went through a lot of negative emotions and a lot of low states mentally and emotionally, from stress, disappointment, blame, shame, anger, through to feeling exhausted, not knowing how I'm gonna handle parenting on my own. And I was nursing, I was feeding, I was babysitting. I was a mom, not knowing what I'm doing really, learning to be a mom, and everything else myself was put on the side. About 11-12 months into parenting, I've realized that I am more than just a mom. I want to love my life again, all of it. I want to take care of myself. And the whole thing, the change really started with applying some truths, personal development and emotional development, emotional well-being, growth tools and techniques that I knew about in my nearly 14 years of professional experience in the field of personal development and well-being. This was a time for me to walk my talk really. So today I'm inviting you to take it easy, to breathe, to know that there is the other side of this beautiful life now as a parent, as a mother, and that you can and you will love your life fully, that you will flourish. You can have that, you can have it all. That will shift your mind from feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and stuck to I'm positive. I have a sense of growth, development. I know where I'm going, I know what I want. I'm taking steps, I'm feeling good, I'm flourishing.